I'm Dr. Yale Gordon from Housecall Chiropractic, and I want to show you something incredible. When I use the integrator on your spine, it delivers adjustments with torque and recoil, mimicking the body's natural three-dimensional movements: forward, back, side to side, and rotational for spinal subluxations. Watch this brain scan. See how blood flow and nerve communication instantly improve? This isn't just affecting your spine. Every single cell, tissue, organ, and muscle in your body benefits. Your lungs breathe easier, your heart beats stronger, your stomach digests better, and your muscles move just right. This is the power of proper spinal alignment with advanced technology. Housecall Chiropractic, bringing this specific and personalized care directly to you.